So if you want to know my honest review on Taraji P. Henson's new natural hair care line, which is called TPH, then keep watching. Also, I did this look after using her natural hair products. And so that'll also be in this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, y'all, so I've been gone for a while because I've missed like a week or whatever, and that was because me and my kids was actually sick with the flu. Well, they had the flu. I almost came down with the flu, and I just whipped together my little concoctions or whatever you want to call it, and I felt good after 2 days. So my hair is extremely dirty. It needs to be clean. I actually already detangled it, but my hair needed to be detangled bad, but I already did that part. So as y'all know by the title, I will be using Taraji P. Henson's new hair care line, which is called TPH. And I actually have the scalp products because she has different, I have the whole actual scalp line of products, and it is 4 of them. And she actually has them color coded, like the yellow ones is for your scalp, and then she have like some products that are in red containers. It's just for like wash, some is for styling, and these ones is for your scalp. I chose the ones that are for your scalp honestly because I feel like I probably can focus on my scalp a lot more. One of these products is a sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. I never even heard of a scalp scrub or a hair scrub, to be honest. Just always facial scrubs, but it's strong, the smell, because I can smell them without even opening them. And then as you can see, all of her scalp products have these, you know, so you can apply it, you know, straight to your scalp. So the top part is made like this. And this one is the scalp scrub. It's a sugar-based scalp and hair scrub, renew, exfoliate, and calm. Infused with sugar crystals, apple cider vinegar, coconut, and peppermint oils. These products are very good for your hair, and it's paraben-free, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free. It's vegan. Cooling serum and energizing and cooling serum. Wake up, calm, and refresh. And this is infused with aloe, biotin, tea tree oil, and caffeine. And this you actually don't have to wash out. This is made for, you know, to calm your scalp, and especially if it's sore or whatever the case may be. And you can use this when you have like protective styles and stuff. You don't actually have to wash this out. Then this is the Master Cleanse, a targeted scalp wash. Cleanse, refreshing, and balance. And it's infused with witch hazel water, eucalyptus oil, and tea tree oil. And of course we know what a wash cleanse is. And then this is the conditioner. It is mint, a tingling scalp conditioner. Replenish, softens, and moisturizes. And it's infused with aloe, shea butter, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint. So these are the products of hers that I will be using. For those of you who don't know, your scalp is just as important as the rest of your hair, the ends of your hair. Your scalp is very important too. And so I am going to be applying the scalp scrub first, and then my shampoo, and then my conditioner. I like it. It smells like minty. I like minty smells. This is how it comes out. My hair is already sectioned and detangled, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this. It's thick, which I kind of expect, and it smells so good. It smells like it could be a scrub too. It reminds me of like my it reminds me of like my face scrubs. y'all, so I'm done putting the scrub in my hair, and I have a real like minty, fresh, cool feeling to my scalp. I actually like how it feels, and I wouldn't mind start using a scalp scrub for my hair. I really think that that'll be one of my go-to things to do for my wash day from now on. But I'm about to go ahead and wash it out, and I don't know if you guys can see a difference from before I put it in my hair, but yeah, I can feel the real minty, cool, fresh feeling. So I'm about to go ahead and wash that out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I did just wash out the scalp scrub, and while I was washing it out, it was like the smell had got even stronger while I was washing it out. So her products, you definitely can't use a lot of it because the smell is just so strong. I still have that cooling feeling on my scalp, which I really don't mind, but I'm like, is it even safe to be inhaling all of these hair product fumes right now? But I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Master Cleanse targeted scalp wash. Cleanse, refreshes, and balances your hair. Yeah, it says Detox Master on the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. I left the back part of my hair out, so let's see how. I didn't even unscrew the cap. Duh. Ain't nobody asked you. What you talking? Whoop! I did not expect it to squirt like that. Whoop, my butt. Y'all be careful because this is liquid and it just squirts out. Yeah, it just squirted out. Yep. I don't know how this is going to work because that's going to be messy having it drip. And this is a different smell from that mint smell. Yeah, the smell. I can see it is lathering up. See, y'all, it's just liquid when it comes out. And it definitely tangles your hair like shampoo does. Applying the wash to my hair, and as you can see, all of the lather, what I noticed is the foam and the lather goes away. Like, it just disappears and turns back into liquid or something, because it's like it goes away and then my hair just gets to dripping. Like, my hair is dripping, and it wasn't even dripping like this when I had first walked in here and got done washing it, but I can feel everything on my scalp. I like how my scalp feels. I'm about to go ahead and wash it out now. Okay, y'all, so I done washed the stuff out my hair, and her shampoo, I don't like it too much. Like, it's too liquidy, and then really strips your hair and detangles it bad. So I couldn't even put it back into my 4 plaits that I normally have it in, so that's why it's in these 2. Now I have to go back through and detangle my hair. Like, whenever I shampoo my hair, I like to use shampoos that isn't as stripping or definitely doesn't put a lot of tangles in your hair, because I've had used shampoos that put a lot of tangles in your hair and then some that only put a little bit. Like this tangled my hair a lot, so I really don't like that. Detangle my hair and then I'll be back to put the conditioner in my hair. Okay y'all, so I detangled my hair. As y'all can see, I just left this side up, braided these two, being lazy or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the Mint Tangling Scalp Conditioner. So yeah, go ahead and put the conditioner in my hair. And then that's pretty much it after I'm done with the conditioner. Okay, so this is how it comes out, y'all. Can see it does have like a nice amount of slip or whatever to it. It's not too thin and runny and it's not too thick, so the consistency of it. And this is some pretty cool conditioner though. I do like the conditioner a lot better than that shampoo, and it's not really strong to me neither like the scrub really was. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get back to y'all. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my hair, and then I am gonna deep condition it, sit under the dryer for a little bit. Okay y'all, so I did just wash out my hair. That was the conditioner that I last used, and it does make my hair feel, you know, like most conditioners feel. My hair feels good. I mean, it doesn't feel hard or anything like that, and my scalp feels good from, I guess, all of the products, you know, that I used all together. And so that basically was her hair care line. The last one that I'm left with is the Ultra Chill and Energizing and Cooling Serum. And this one you don't wash out. You can use it like when you having a twist or braids or weave or whatever the case is. I'm not going to use it. So that's basically all of her products. So I'm going to go ahead and style my hair with my usual products. Just some oil, leave-in conditioner. And that's basically about it. So I've already done the back, and this is 2 layers, and now I'm doing the front. And I thought I would just show y'all basically how I do it. Alright, y'all, so that's all I have for y'all today. As y'all can see, this is the final look that I did using Taraji P Henson's hair care line, TPH. And this is the hairstyle I decided to do using her hair products. But yeah, so I gave y'all my overall review on everything, my thoughts, my feelings, and they were true and they were honest. And so that's basically all I have for y'all today. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and if you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and join the channel, the family, the natural hair movement, and embrace all the natural. Bring it in, embrace it, embrace it, embrace it, and subscribe to that channel. But yeah, so anyways, that's all I got for y'all today. I hope y'all liked, enjoyed it, and y'all keep coming back. See y'all next time.